All of your account-wide or global settings can be accessed using the top right drop-down menu. Let's start by looking at global workflows. Global workflows are templates that can be applied to any of your individual accounts. Creating or modifying global workflow templates can make it easy to set up new clients in Review. We've created 3 templates which cover most use cases of the app, and each can be customized to better fit your business. You can also create your own workflow from scratch by selecting a blank workflow and adding your own steps, transitions, and user assignments. For information on building your own global workflow template, check out our tutorial on account workflows. In this case, we're going to make a few adaptations to an existing global workflow template, the agency workflow. If I'm running a social media agency and I know that for every client I bring on board, I'll have the same process but with different users approving or rejecting content, I could adapt my template to fit this structure. Click on the duplicate icon to make a copy of an existing workflow template. I'm going to call this one our Cat Collars Agency Workflow. Notice how there are already groups of users assigned to my workflow. These are global groups and can be added to global templates when you know that the same users will be working on every account. However, in this workflow, there are 2 rounds of approval, one internally using my content approvers global group called Review Graphic, and then my client approval step currently called Content Review. Let's give these simpler names to make it clear which stage of the workflow we're editing. I'm going to click on the pencil icon next to Review Graphic and call this round Internal Review. Then also rename the Content Review step as Client Review. As my clients will be different for each account, I will also remove the Content Approvers global group from this step, as I'll have to add my clients to each account individually once the template has been applied. Currently, I have just one Content Creators group, but I would like to create a new global group for my graphic designers, as they will always be working on the Add Graphic step of every account. Using the top right dropdown, I'm going to select Global Groups and create a new Graphics group and add my designer to it. Now back in our workflow template, we can add our graphics group to the Add Graphics step. I will also add them to the rejected content steps and the calendar, as they will need to amend rejected content and have an overview of the account. Now that I'm happy with my new template, let's apply it to our account. Navigate to your client account using the Account sidebar, then go to the Approval Process settings within Manage Account. From here we can click to apply a template and we will see our workflow updated. Before it's ready to go, we have to add our clients as users to the Client Review step. One of the key benefits of global groups is that you can easily manage your team without having to edit all the individual workflows. So if you hire a new copywriter, just add them to the global group for content creators and they will be applied to the correct steps in every account. For more useful tutorials, visit review.com.